Okay. So we are going to solve this question. This question was asked in May 2013, and it was about solve the LPP. It was also given how to solve the LPP. So we will try to look into the method how to solve this thing. So we know the question. First of all, the question is given as maximize. Okay, z is equal to 3x1 minus x2. It is subjected to some conditions. There are three equations. So we already know when there are three equations, there should be three slack variables. Okay, this is for sure. There should be three slack variables. So what we will do with the first equation is 2x1 plus x2. You can see it is greater than equal to. So if it is greater than equal to, we will consider it to be minus of slack variable is equal to 2. Then second equation will be x1 plus 3x2. Since it is less than, then we will consider it to be plus of slack variable, which is equal to 2. Then x2, third equation is only having one variable x2, but since it is less than, so we will consider another slack variable, which is, since it is less than, we will consider another slack variable which is added to the equation so that it becomes equal to 4. Now, since we know that we have to start our solution by forming an identity matrix. So if we try to form an identity matrix, just give me a second. I'll just change the color. If we try to form an identity matrix, what do we see? We see that we have, if we try to write z will be written as 3x1 minus x2 plus 0s1 plus 0s2 plus 0s3. So if we try to write this thing, what will come here is x1, x2, s1, s2, s3. Now if we try to write the values of from the equation, first constraint equation, it is having 2, 1, minus 1. So it will be 2, 1, minus 1, 0, 0. The second equation is having 1, 3, 0, 1, 0. The third equation is having, what is the third equation having? 1, 0, sorry. 0, then x2 is 1, then this is 0, this is 0, then this is 1. What we are seeing that this is not a part of identity matrix. This will be a part, this will come into second place. So this will be S2, which will come in second place. 0, 0, S3, this will come in third place. When we start the solution, we write the basis variable when we start the solution. And the basis variable that enters the solution, it should form which kind of a matrix? It should form identity matrix. So we can see this is at the second place, 1, 0, 0. This is at the third place, 0, 0, 1. So the problem that we are facing, is we cannot add S1 because it is having minus 1, 0, 0. So what do we need to do? We already know this thing. Whenever there is such case, what do we have to do? We have to add an artificial variable. So this equation will become as 2x1 plus x2 minus s1 plus a1 is equal to 2. So whenever we add this plus a1 artificial variable, that method is called as big M method. Okay, or it is also called as penalty cost method. So we are going to solve this LPP by penalty cost method, not by basic simplex. So we have to add a penalty, a huge penalty into our objective function, and our objective function is to maximize. So we have entered a huge penalty, which is minus m, where m is a very, very, very large integer. It is a very, very large integer, which will make, if it is there in the solution, it will make the solution infeasible, and it will make the solution not possible to be extracting some profit from it. So minus n a1 we have added. So since we have added a1, so we have to write a1, and we know the coefficient of a1 in the first equation, it is 1, and in the second equation it will be 0, in the third equation it will be 0. Okay, so we will write here s2, we will write here s3, and since a is at the first place, 1, 0, 0, so we will write here a1. Then we will write cj. What will be our cj? Cj will be, we have to write the coefficients of x1, x2, s1, s2, s3, a1 from the z equation. So we will write 3, minus 1, 0, 0, 0, minus m. Hopefully we will not do any mistake, inshallah, today. So this side is always equal to 0. Now we have to write the RHS from the constraint equation. First is 2, second is 2, third is 4. Okay, so we have written this thing. Now we already know Zj minus Cj for identity matrix. So this will be 0, this will be 0, this will be 0. You can even check for it. So now this side is minus n, this is 0, this is 0. We have taken this value from the z equation only. Okay, we have taken this values from z. So now what we will do is minus m into 2 will be minus 2m minus 3. Zj minus Cj. So we have got minus 2m minus 3 because this will contribute 0 only. 0 into 1, 0 into 0 will contribute 0. So if we add it to minus 2m, it will be minus 2m only. So minus 2m minus 3 is first value. The second value will be minus m minus 1. I hope everyone can see. Minus m minus 1 because 3 into 0 will be 0, 0 into 1 will be 0. So we need not consider those values. So the third value will be minus 1 into minus m will be m, and all other thing will be 0. So m minus 0 will be m. Okay, so we have got three values. This is 0. We need not find this value. Okay, so which is the most positive, negative? Most negative. It will be minus 2 times m will be most negative. So we have got the value from Zj minus Cj, which will be most negative. So what we will do, this will be our pivot column. So we have to divide our RHS by the pivot column. So theta, which is nothing but Bi by Ai, we have to divide it by RHS. So 2 by 2 will be, we have to divide RHS by the pivot column. So 2 by 2 will be 1, 2 by 1 will be 2, and 4 by 0 is not possible. So least positive, not negative. Always this side, theta will always be positive. So least positive is 1. Therefore, A1 will leave the solution. Directly A1 is leaving. This is a good sign. And X1 will enter. So X1 will enter. S2 will be there. S3 will be here. If X1 entered, that doesn't mean that our solution is done. Our solution will be completed only when Zj minus Cj is positive and artificial variable have left the solution. This is important. So first thing is good that artificial variable has left the solution. We need to consider the second thing where all Zj minus Cj should be positive. So what we will do here is, what is the value of x1 from z is 3, s2 is 0, this is 0. Can we check it once again? Is it all right? Yeah, this will be correct. So what do we need to do? We have got least positive. So now what we will do is, this will be my key element. So this key element should be equal to what? 1. Before going for that, what we have to do, x1 will be 1, 0, 0. S2 will be 0, 1, 0. We can write it directly. S3 will be 0, 0, 1. And all the Zj minus Cj for all this value will be equal to 0. We already know. Now we have to make this element as 1. So 2 has to be divided by 2. So 2 by 2 is 1. It is already written. Then 1 divided by 2 will be 1 by 2. Minus 1 divided by 2 will be minus 1 by 2. 0 by 2 is 0. 0 by 2 is 0. 1 by 2 is 1 by 2. 2 by 2 will be 1. So now we need to find this value. So this value will be 2 into 3, right? 6 minus 1, 5, 5 divided by 2. I'll write it properly. So this value is 5 divided by 2. Next will be 2 into 1, 2 minus 0. Okay. So 2 minus 0 is 2. 2 divided by 2 will be 1. So we need to find this value. 2 into 0. You can see here 2 into 0 will be 0. Minus of minus will become plus. So plus 1 divided by key element, which is 2. So 1 by 2. Next again 2 into 0 is 0. Minus 1 into anything. Minus 1 into minus of 0 will be 0 only. So 0 minus 0 will be 0. 0 divided by 2 will be 0. Okay, now we need to find this value. This will again be 2 into 0 minus 1. So this will be minus 1 by 2. Okay. Minus 1 divided by key element, minus 1 by 2. Again 2 into 0, 0. 1 into 0, 0. So 0 divided by 2 will be 0. So now we need to find this value. So this will become as minus 2m minus 2. Okay, and this will be plus 2m. See, we can write here minus 2m minus 2. And this will become plus 2m because we are multiplying it by 1 only. You can see from here, we are multiplying it by 1 only. So plus 2m, minus of minus is becoming plus. So plus 2m plus 3. So what is remaining out from this is, you can see what is remaining is 1. You can multiply it from here also. Okay, you will get the correct answer from here also. Okay, you don't need not worry. So we need to find this value. This value will be 2m. We can see. So what I'm getting is 2m. I hope everyone is able to see. This is 2m. Okay, 2m. Then minus minus minus. There is minus minus here, and one more minus will come. So this will be minus 2m minus 3 only. Nothing will change. I hope everyone is getting, because this minus will become automatically, this will become plus. So this minus will remain as it is. So this 2m minus 2m is getting cancelled. What I am getting is minus 3. Okay. This is not the end of the solution. I hope everyone can see this is minus 3. 2m is getting cancelled. Minus of minus will become plus 2m, but it will get multiplied by minus 1. So what will remain is minus 3. Divide by 2. Divide by 2 because we have to consider the key element. I hope we have considered the key element here also. When we were doing this, this was minus 2m minus 2 plus 2m plus 3. We have to divide it by 2. I forgot to, I think, yeah, we have to divide it by 2. So what will remain here? Just see it clearly. 1 divided by 2. I forgot to write it. This is the issue that we did last time also. We forgot to make some minute correction. So this is 1 by 2. Okay. We can see it from here also. 3 by 2. Okay. You can see it from here. 3 into 1 by 2 is 3 by 2. 0 into 5 by 2 is 0. 0 into 1 is 0. So 3 by 2 minus of minus 1. So 3 by 2 plus 1 I think we are getting. Can we check this answer? Is it 5 by 2 or just check with the answer if we are getting correct. Minus 2m minus 2. Okay. Then plus 2m plus 3. Just check with the answer if we are doing it rightly. Just check the answer, anyone. Just put it in the chat. What is the value? Is it 1 by 2 for sure? This way we are getting some other answer. Anyone else apart from Ashfaq? Is it? If this is the value, then this should be, I think, minus half. This should be minus half for that case. Or there is some issue. Minus 3 by 2. No, this won't be minus half. What is the issue? Is this? I'll just see your chat. Is there anyone who can help me out? If you are doing it correctly, 3 by 2, it is a little difficult to see everything. Minus 1 by 2 or 1 by 2. Be sure. I have to check it myself. 3 into 3 by 2. 3 by 2 plus 1 is coming out to be 5 by 2. That is an issue. Zj minus Cj is not giving me the correct answer. Zj minus Cj should be satisfied. 5 by 2. But if it is 5 by 2, are we getting 5 by 2 even by this method? By multiplication. To minus 2m minus 2. Okay, this is the issue. If that is the issue, then okay. I did a mistake here. This is plus 1. I hope we can see this is plus 1. See, minus m into 1 is minus m. Minus of minus will become plus. So this is for sure. This is 5 by 2. Now it will be 5 by 2. Okay. I hope we are able to see the error. This is happening because we are doing it. I am doing it on whiteboard. It becomes a little difficult to check the error from my side. Okay, so it would be better if you check it from your side also. So this is coming out to be 5 by 2. I'll see it in the chat if you are agreeing with this. I think it is correct. Thank you. See, so this is 5 by 2. This is minus 3 by 2. This we need to find. So to find this, 2 into 0 will be 0. Minus of minus will become plus. So we will get 2m plus 3 divided by 2. Okay. So we have found all the value. Since this is coming out to be negative, this is the most negative. This is again positive. M might be a very large integer, but since this is positive, this will be considered as positive only. Okay. So we have got something which is negative. So we need to go for the next iteration also. Before going for that, we will find this value. 2 into 2, 4. 4 minus 2 is 2. 2 by 2 is 1. Okay. Again, 2 into 4 is 8. 8 minus 0 is 8. Divided by 2 is 4. So we have got some value. Now what do we need to do? We need to divide it by RHS by pivot column. So 1 divided by minus half, not possible. 1 divided by 1 by 2 is nothing but 1 into 2, which is 2. 4 divided by this is also not possible. So only there is one variable which is least positive. So what is that variable? 2. I would request you to check for the calculation from your end also, what I am doing here. Okay. So what do we need to do? What will enter? This is x1, this is x2, s1 will enter. So x1 will be as it is, s1 will enter, s3 will be as it is, s1 is 0, s3 is 0, x1 is 3, Okay, now we need to write 1 0 0 Zj minus Cj, then S1 0 1 0 S3 0 0 1. Okay, what is remaining? Zj minus Cj will be 0. Okay. Okay, so we have to find what is the key element. I think this one, no, sorry. What is the key element? I think this is the key element. To make it 1, we have to multiply throughout by 2. So 0 into 2 will be 0. 5 by 2 into 2 will be 5. 1 by 2 into 2 will be 1. It is already 1. 1 by 1 into 1 by 1 into 2. 1 into 2 will be 2. 0 into 2 will be 2. Minus half into 2 will be minus 1. 1 into 2 will be 2. So we need to find this value. This will be 1 by 4. Okay, 1 by 4 plus 5 by 4 will be 6 by 4. So what we are getting is 6 by 4. Okay, into what we have to do, we have to divide it by 1 by 2. That means we have to multiply it by 2. So 1 by 4 plus 5 by 4 is 6 by 4. 6 by 4 into 6 by 4. So 12 by 4, what we are getting is 3. Okay, so we have got the first value, which is nothing but 3. Now we need to find this value. This will be 1 by 2. Okay, 1 by 2, this is 0. 1 by 2 into 2 will be 1. So we have got this value. Now we need to find this value. Again, this is 0. This will be plus half. Plus half into 2 will be 1. Now we need to find this value. For this, we will multiply it this way. So 0 into 0 divided by 2 will be 0 only. Now we need to find this value. So this value will be half into half, 1 by 4. Again, minus half into again 1 minus. So half minus half, sorry, 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4 will be 0. Is it right? I think it is right. Minus half into minus half is 1 by 4. 1 second. Minus half into minus half is 1 by 4. 1 second. This is, sorry, minus 1 by 4. Half into this one. Half into minus half is minus 1 by 4. Then minus 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 will be again minus 1 by 4. So this will become to be minus 1 by 8 into 2. So this is coming out to be minus 1 by 4. You can see the solution. I might have done it incorrectly if I would not have written this way. Okay, so I hope you people are getting what I'm trying to do. So minus 1 by 4, minus 1 by 4 is minus 1 by 8 into 2 is minus 1 by 4. So we have got some value. This is minus 1 by 4. Now we need to find this last one. What will be this? This will be 0. You can see here, this will be 0. Again, this will be 0. So this will come out to be 0 only. Okay, now we need to find this value. This will be 5 by 4. I hope we are able to understand. 5 by 2 into 1 by 2 is 5 by 4. Again 5 by 4, and this is plus 15 by 4. We can see 5 by 4 plus 15 by 4 will be 19 by 4 into 2. This is coming out to be 19 by 2. It is positive. Okay, now we need to find this value. Okay, so now how do we find this? This will become this, this is coming out to be, this both multiplication is 0, and this will again come out to be positive. So 3 by 2 minus of minus plus 3 by 2 into 1 is 3 by 2 into 2 will give me 3. So this is also coming out to be positive. Last value we need to check. So rather than checking it from this end, I'll check it from this end. 3 into this. So minus 3 by 4, right? Then 0 into minus 1 is 0. See, 0 into minus 1 is 0. 0 into 0 is 0. So what I'm getting is minus 3 by 4 plus m. We can see minus of minus m will become, since Zj minus Cj. So plus m. So this is 4m minus 3 divided by 4. So this is also positive. So all the variables are positive. So what we have seen, all Zj minus Cj are positive, and there is no artificial variable in final iteration. I hope we are getting. There is no artificial variable in final iteration. So we will get the solution if we find this value. So this will be 1 by 2 into 1 is 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2 into 1 of minus will become 1 by 2. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 will be 1. 1 into 2 will be 2. Okay, now we need to find this value. 1 by 2 into 4 will be 4 by 2. I hope we are getting. 1 by 2 into 4 will be 4 by 2. Right? Minus 1 into 0 will be 0. So 4 by 2 is 2, 2 into 2 is 4. So I hope we have got the answer. Now, since we have got this value, since we don't find this value, since these are imaginary m variables, so we need to find this value from here only. So 3 into 2 will be 6. 0 into 2 will be 0. So 6 plus 0 is 6. 0 into 4 will be 0. So 6 plus 0 will be 6. Okay, so we have got all the answers. What are my final answers? What are the variables that are there? X1 is there, S1 is there, S3 is there. So X1 is equal to 2, X2 is equal to 0 since there is no X2, and Z is equal to how much? 6. Matlab we are not contributing for the second. We are not using the resource second. The second resource is unutilized, whatever might be that resource according to this question. So we have not used and we have got the answer as X1 is equal to, and what is slack? Slack matlab what is remaining? You can see what is remaining. What is remaining? Slack. S1, first equation is having a slack of 2. Second equation is having a slack of 4, and all this should be greater than 0. I hope you remember. So you can see all this value will be positive only always. Okay. Have you understood?